Good afternoon, friends. Today we have the World Environment Day. So we're at Prakriti Maidan. There's an exhibition going on here. So we're at the Bowl Stall. Bowl Stall is into making chargers for electric vehicles, two-wheelers, for three-wheelers, and for four-wheelers. So it's mainly for passenger vehicles, I believe. And we have Kirti. So Kirti handles the RWA segment, which is about resident welfare associations, so that because when you are going to buy an electric vehicle, you need electric charging points. So either you need them at your house or you need it at your workplace or आपके घर पे आपको चाहिए. So over to Kirti, you can talk about your company briefly and then about the RWA segment.
So I look after RWA, which is Resident Welfare Association, and as you can see, we are the largest EV tech company right now, and we have installed 12,000 pan-India chargers. And I look after RWA. You were right that if you buy an EV, you can either charge it at your home or at your company. So I look after Residents Welfare Association. Whoever the RWA is, they install a charger and at a common place wherever the residents and as well as the visitors can charge their vehicle. So that is
This
how
company, Bolt, as I've been told, like you're a Bangalore-based company. So who are the founders?
So the founders are the Jyoti Prakash, and he's an engineer. He founded the company in Bangalore itself, and we have our head offices there.
All right. And about the RWA, so how many installations you have across major metros?
So in Delhi itself, we have done 1,500 plus installations.
Okay,
Yeah.
and like these are on what basis? Like when you're installing them, so who's paying for that?
So it is an OPEX model, like the client is paying to the RWA. So the 80% revenue goes to the RWA and 20% comes to the company.
Okay, so anybody, suppose we are talking, suppose I am in a area, I am a resident, और मेरे को अपना स्कूटर या गाड़ी चार्ज करवाना है, तो मैं अपने कॉलोनी में जाके जहाँ पे चार्जिंग पॉइंट होगा वहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली मुझे पे करना होगा.
Yes. So there is a barcode there. You can scan. Then it says pay, and then the charger starts automatically. And if you have paid for an hour, the charger will start for an hour, and after an hour it will cut automatically.
Okay, and suppose we are having a break. Suppose हमें कोई चार्जिंग हमने लगाया 10 मिनट हुई है और मेरे को इमरजेंसी में जाना है कहीं पे, तो क्या होगा? Can we stop that?
Yes, so we are also coming up with the wallet thing. Like you pay into the wallet, Bolt wallet, and you charge for just 10 minutes, and the money will come back to your wallet, and you can charge again.
Okay, because there would be issues like
Yes,
suppose there's a storm, something कुछ भी मौसम खराब हो रहा है. So the Resident Welfare Association are able to earn from this?
Yes. Obviously, they are not a profit organization.
Yes. No, but I said
Yes, they can. It's their choice entirely. Yes. If they want to, they can.
Because even if they are earning, suppose the resident association is putting it its own, members are paying them some monthly subscription.
Right.
So whatever the money they'll go for, use it for maintenance or something.
Yes.
So you are tied up with how many associations at the present?
So, like I told you, we have done 1,500 installations. So,
no, like one resident welfare association. So it's a bigger colony.
Yes.
Then in one colony, how many installations?
So on an average, they take 2 to 3, depending on the size of the apartment.
All right.
Yep.
Anything else you want to add on the World Environment Day?
Thank you. I think we have covered it all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you stop it? Thanks.